My name is Desiree Smith, and this is my Math All Around Us Learning Center. It is important that we get to know our students. In order to get to know how our students learn as mathematicians, I will have our students to write a math autobiography. In that math autobiography, students will tell of their experiences that they have with math classes, and it will better help me understand them as a math student. Students will also complete a math survey, which will have questions such as what was your experience like with math? What is your favorite topic in math? On a scale of 1 to 10, how do you feel that you perform in math? There will also be open-ended questions such as how can I help you be more comfortable in your math skills? The class will also engage in discourse about our math experiences in order to help us get to know one another and me get to know the students as mathematicians in the classroom. The Math All Around Us Learning Center is standard aligned. It is aligned with the Measurement and Data Standard, where students will organize, represent, and interpret data with up to 4 categories. Students will be creating a bar graph, a tally graph, a and a pictograph using the information that is gathered from their data. Students will also create a poster that represents their data. It is important as teachers that our learning targets are culturally relevant for our students because students aren't going to be interested in things that they don't understand, so we need to make sure that it's relevant to their needs and to the day and time that we're living in. Things that students enjoy these days are ice cream and candy. This will help our students be interested in the topic that we are learning about. It is important that we are presenting our students with things that they are familiar with. This helps build upon their background knowledge. We're not just introducing our students to things that they know nothing about. So making sure we have things within our lessons that are culturally relevant is very important to our students. Many of our students are familiar with going to the store and getting candy or seeing an ice cream shop near them. So those are things that can be added in order to help our students have background knowledge on the topic at hand. Students will be participating in a hands-on math activity with their group members. Students will create graphs with their group members based on the number of Skittles that was given to their group. The students will be responsible for creating a tally chart, a bar graph, and a pictograph in order to show the data represented by the Skittles that they were given. Students will also be required to answer the following questions about their data. Which color had the greatest number of Skittles? Which color had the least number of Skittles? What is the sum of the yellow Skittles and green Skittles that your group had? Students will be responsible for doing these things within the station. Rigor and innovation. Students are creating a product based on their data. The product that the students are creating is their poster. The students get to be as creative with their poster as they want to be. It needs to be colorful and it needs to represent their data in a way that their classmates and teacher can understand, because we will do gallery walk where students will walk around and see their peers, their classmates work. So it's important that students are doing their best and creating a product that is appealing to the eyes for their classmates. Assessment. After every lesson comes an assessment. Students will individually create a tally chart, a picture graph, and a bar graph based on the following information from the classroom survey. The survey that the class took was on their favorite ice cream flavors, and the results were as following. Chocolate received 5 votes, strawberry received 4 votes, and vanilla received 7 votes. Students will have to answer the following questions. Which ice cream flavor had the greatest number of votes? Which ice cream flavor had the least number of votes? What is the sum of votes that chocolate and vanilla have? Students will be responsible for creating a poster that shows their different graphs, and the students will have to make the poster appealing to the eyes because because I will look at these and I will grade them based on creativity, and I'll base them based on accuracy.